Hello, everybody. This is the website Learning Chocolate. I like this website for learning vocabulary. Let me show you how to learn vocabulary on this website. First of all, we want to look in this brown box. Do you see the brown box? It looks like chocolate. That's why the website is called Learning Chocolate. Everything is inside this brown box. So please don't touch anything on the side or below the box. These are advertisements. Don't touch, don't click on the advertisements. So we can make this brown box bigger if we click over here. Do you see the 4 arrows? Click it or touch it. Now it's nice and big. So we will learn some chores, things we need to do in our home. So first we can learn. Now this game is for listening. Do you see the speaker button for each vocabulary word? Each one has a speaker button. You can read the word cook and listen.
Cook. Cook.
Do the gardening.
Do the gardening. Do the gardening.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Empty the dishwasher. Set the table. Make the bed.
So that's the first thing. Read the words and click the speaker
Cook.
to listen. After you learn all of the vocabulary, we have some games up here. We have Match Up 1, Match Up 2, Match Up 3, Fill In, and Dictation. Let's try Match Up 1. So click Match Up 1. So we can see many vocabulary words. And down on the bottom, down here, we have listening. So let's click the first listening down here.
Empty the dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher.
So we need to put this next to the vocabulary word, empty the dishwasher. How do we do that? Well, you click on it, and we're going to move it up here next to it.
Empty the dishwasher.
It says empty the dishwasher.
Empty the dishwasher.
Great, we have one. Let's listen to the next one.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
So again, we're going to press on it and drag it over to, is this right?
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
Take out the trash. That one is correct. Let's try the next one.
Set the table. Set the table.
Let's move this one over to Set the table.
Set the table.
So you want to do that with all of these vocabulary listening down here. You move them to the right place. Then we can check answers. And look, the green check mark means correct. The red X means not correct. You can try again and again. And to go back, we press this back button. Let's try match up 2. Aha! This one is not listening. This one is reading. So all the answers are on the bottom. Do the gardening. So again, we will press on and drag it up. Where is do the gardening? Up here. Is this right? Is the girl doing the gardening? What about tidy up? Which one is for tidy up? Over here. Okay, and again, you can do all of the words in the correct places, and then you click check answers. Again, if you are correct, it has a green check mark, and if you are not correct, it has a red X. You can do this game many times. Then, let's go back. We did matchup 1 and matchup 2. Now let's try matchup 3. Okay, this one we have listening and pictures. Let's listen to the first one.
Do the gardening. Do the gardening.
Ah, this one is do the gardening. Let's move it over here to
Do the gardening.
good. So we will do the same thing. We want to listen first, so click.
Cook. Cook.
And then we move this little speaker button over to the right picture.
Cook.
Then we can check the answers and go back. Then we have fill in. This one is a little harder. Do you remember how to write each vocabulary item? What about this one? C-O-O-K. Cook. What about this one? Do the gardening. Do the gardening. And this one? Do the laundry. Then we can check our answers and go back. The last one is called dictation. Do you remember what dictation is? Dictation means listen and write. So we will listen
Walk the dog.
and write.
Walk the dog.
What's the next one?
Do the laundry. Do the laundry.
And we will check the answers. We are correct. Now we still need to do the rest of them though. And we can go back. Okay, everybody. We can also click the question mark. And it has some instructions on what to do for each one. Click the sound button and do the game. When you're finished with all of the activities, you can click this arrow button again, and it will make it smaller again. And you can go back to the website and do the other activities for today. That's all for this game. I hope you have fun.